Hi, I'm Tanveer from India. In this video, we will learn how you can add a contributor to your collection. This can also be used if you are going to take assignments from the students. You have to create a new collection. You can name it as like assignment of operating system. You can write a description like all students are required to submit their assignments, right? So you will keep it as a public and click on the done button. So your collection is ready. Now what you have to do, you have to click on the contributors button and select a Y name or email. You can also share this link to all the students. Also you can type an email here, like I will type this and will send a add button and then you can send. So invite is sent. Now I will open that email ID. So this email came here that I have invited you to collaborate to their collection. So you have to just click on the accept invite. It will now open up a Wakelet link where that assignment will be there. So created by me, it will show. So you being the student have to click on edit collection. You will see the plus sign button here and you can upload in the form of PDF. So like if I am supposed to upload this, so I will click on that PDF and it will be uploaded. So once it is uploaded, you can delete it. You being the student can delete it if you want to submit another assignment. You can also submit your text, your YouTube tweets, bookmarks, images, PDFs, anything you want to share with your teacher. So once you have done it, you can click on the done button. So we will open now the another account from the teacher account like this. Then you can refresh. You can refresh this page. Here your student assignment will be displayed to you like this. So you can ask your student that he or she can write her name in the presentation also, like or in the submission also. Like here it is written that it is edited by Harmeet Kaur. So from here you can track. So in this way you can add contributors or you can share this QR code or this link so that your students can go to this link and they will be invited to collaborate on your existing collection. And in this way you can receive n number of assignments in this particular collection. And similarly, if you want to share this, you can share the whole collection with all the class. You can share on your college website. And if you want to take it as a PDF export, so after clicking on PDF, your whole collection will be downloaded in the form of PDF as well. So I think this is the best way if you are seeking to get the assignments from the students, and if the student list is long, then you can just share the link with students and they can edit the collection and they can submit their assignments. So thank you so much.